Joining us now is Jim Knapp from Hallmark Building Supplies. Hi, Jim.
Morning, Julie.
Jim, can you tell us about Hallmark and the products that you offer on home exteriors?
Yeah, Hallmark is a marketer and distributor of building materials that we do business in 17 states. We have a surfaces business where we have brands like DuPont Corian Solid Surface and DuPont Zodiac Quartz Surfaces. We have a construction products division where we have Tyvek weatherization systems manufactured by DuPont and Nichiha fiber cement products.
Well, Jim, this morning we're going to talk about home exteriors. And I see Tyvek on buildings and homes before the siding goes up. What's the purpose of Tyvek?
Tyvek is more than just a house wrap. It's a weatherization system. It's a system of products that have been engineered to work together to stop the outside elements like air and wind from getting inside of the building wall cavity. If you think about the average 2,000 square foot home, it has over a half mile of gaps and seams where all the different building materials come together, like windows and doors. What Tyvek weatherization system does is it wraps around that, sealing all those cracks and seams and protecting the interior of the insulation. It protects the installed R value of the insulation. So what that does, by stopping that wind and draft and moisture from getting into the wall system, it makes the home more comfortable to live in because you don't feel drafts, but it makes your energy bills a lot more comfortable to live with.
Very good to know. Now, you also work with Nichiha. Can you tell us about that product?
Yeah, Nichiha is an exterior siding product. It's made of fiber cement, so it has the look of natural wood or cedar without the worries because it's low maintenance. When designing the exterior of a home, people like options of different materials. Nichiha manufactures not only a lap siding that looks like cedar, they also manufacture a fiber cement shake. They manufacture panels that can replicate the look of natural stone or brick, cut stone, all manufactured by Nichiha, made of fiber cement. It's durable, it doesn't split, it doesn't crack, and it provides the consumer with low maintenance.
And it really looks great.
Yeah, the Nichiha products look great on every home, Julie.
Thanks so much for joining us.